In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Shopify gift cards work. We'll walk through the full process from creating a gift card in your Shopify admin to how your customers actually use it at checkout, and finally, how you can track the remaining balance. Follow along in your own store if you can, so everything feels familiar. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. When that expands, you'll see several options underneath. Select Gift Cards. This will open the main gift card page where you can see existing cards and create new ones. To issue a new gift card, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Create Gift Card. You'll now be on the gift card creation page. Shopify will automatically generate a gift card code for you. This is the unique sequence your customer will enter at checkout. If you prefer something more customized, you can edit this code, but make sure it stays unique and not too easy to guess. Next, set the initial value of the gift card. This is the amount of store credit that will be available to your customer when they use it. By default, the gift card does not expire. If you'd like to add an expiration date, click on the field that says doesn't expire. A calendar will pop up and you can choose the exact date when the card will no longer be valid. Always make sure this aligns with your store policies and any local regulations about gift card expiry. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a section to specify who is eligible for this gift card. Here you can enter the customer details. It's important to fill this in correctly. If you leave it blank and just share the code, your customer may not be able to apply it depending on your settings. Once you've added the details, you'll see an option appear to send the gift card now. Use this if you want Shopify to email the gift card code directly to your customer. You can also add internal notes on the right-hand side, such as why the card was issued, which can be helpful for future reference. When everything looks good, click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. That officially creates the gift card. Now let's look at how a customer uses this gift card. On your store's checkout page, there will be a field labeled Discount Code or Gift Card. Your customer simply types their gift card code into this box and then clicks Apply, usually found on the right. After a moment, the order total will update to reflect the gift card amount. If there's still a remaining balance to pay, the customer can complete the order using their usual payment method. When everything is correct, they click Complete Order or Pay Now, depending on your theme. Wait for the order confirmation to finish processing. Once that's done, Shopify automatically adjusts the balance of the gift card based on how much was used. To review this, go back to the gift card section in your Shopify admin. From the list of gift cards, find the one your customer just used. Open it, and you'll see the current value has been updated to show the remaining balance after checkout. This makes it easy to track partial uses and understand exactly how much credit is still available on each card. And that's how Shopify gift cards work from start to finish.